it's important to say that naturally, higher performance profiles put stress on a machine, right? Then you've got balanced and efficiency profiles put less stress on a machine. Everyone knows this, right? But with auto-tuning, you can look at weak chips and then tune them down. You can take strong chips, tune them up. You can manage fan responses, overheating as well. And this stuff all increases the lifespan. It reduces all of these issues with thermal stress and longevity, right? So I'll repeat again, when used semiconductors with our developer recommendations, the machines on Vnish will live the same lifetime as they would on stock Bitmain firmware, okay? And also, you've got to think about our market share, right? In the market, according to Cambridge's most recent digital mining report, we're looking at about 26.4% market share. That's when we consider stock firmware as well. So we are the largest firmware provider in the market by far. If you compare us just with, say, custom firmware markets, you're looking at around 85% market share. Now, it is impossible, since we've been working since 2017, that using Vnish would damage the lifespan of these machines. So it's a complete myth. So that's what I'd say.
Right, and then maybe in line with this question, and maybe a question that you get often as well, like if you apply custom firmware, you often lose the warranty on the machine.
Warranty.
So I was wondering, what do you advise to miners? Like, should they apply custom firmware and just ignore the warranty, or maybe have a machine operating a bit less efficient?
Well, you need to make capital decisions here, economically valuable ones too. So I can understand why you would want stock firmware and the warranty for the first couple of months, because of the silicon lottery I've spoken about, you have chip variants no matter what. Your machine could break in the first month regardless of how new it is or efficient it is, just because these things go wrong, right? So I can understand why you'd want the manufacturer's warranty maybe the first few months, but then again, it's still a long time for them to pick it up and drop it off. So you're actually much better with an aftermarket warranty that covers Vnish too. So a better economic decision would be to move your product straight to Vnish and sign a contract with someone that's going to then insure it, sort of aftermarket warranty, get the 20% efficiency buff, and earn much more money. In this market, it's a real no-brainer. You have to have custom firmware to stay competitive, and warranty is not an argument when you have aftermarket firmware too. And I've met so many people here that are even offering great rates for aftermarket warranties. They pick it up much quicker than the stock firmware does, so it's great. I would say again that with Vnish, you're looking at an upwards of 24% increase in the hash rate, obviously when you overclock. This is a massive difference, and our fees are so low. In some cases, we're offering 1.6% to larger firms, and that comes with next to no pool fees when using one of the authorized providers. So there's really no reason that you should be using stock firmware.